Father's Day sa lahat ng tatay, nanay out there. Say Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day!
So, alam nyo ba, kaganina pa ako sobrang busy. Dahil yung asawa ko, syempre dahil nga surprise itong gagawin natin, ano? Tingnan nyo naman, tanghaling tapat na nakapajama pa ako. And sobrang haggard natin, promise. Oh my gosh. So pumasok siya ng work ng anong oras na ba yun? 9:30 na siya umalis. Kaya hindi ako agad nakapag-asikaso ng mga gagawin. Talagang as in, oh my gosh. So, nag-start na lang talaga ako nag-asikaso, nag-chop, basta lahat ng kailangang hiwain, hiniwa ko as soon as na umalis yung asawa ko. As in, talagang naloka ako. Kaya, ayan. Ayan, yung table. At the same time, yung table, inaasikaso ko din. So, ito, ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga nagawa ko na. So, ito yung ating lumpia. So, ano ko na yan siya. Rekado na yan. Actually, nag-wrap na ako. So, may nakita kasi akong hack sa TikTok na ano siya. Yung ikakat siya in half. So, ito yung wrapper. Tapos, ikakat siya ng half ng ganyan. Tapos, ilalagay sa ganito ba? Yung ganyan. Yan. Para sana pantay-pantay yung ilalagay natin. But, ang nangyari, hindi ko nagustuhan kasi pag ini-squeeze mo na siya, lumalabas is yung juice. Yung juice yung lumalabas. Akala mo para na siyang ewan. So, hindi ko na siya tinuloy. Kaya ang ending, balik tayo sa sa yung the whole wrapper na yung ginamit natin. At nahiwa ko na din yung mga natin para sa pansit. So ayan ang ating beans, ang cabbage, ayan ang ating carrots, ayan. And then na-bake ko na din yung cupcake, ay yung cake. So this is vanilla with tag na to, chocolate frosting, chocolate frosting. And then yung pistachio pie. Ayan. Ayan siya. So ginawa ko na yan talaga lahat kaganina, simula nung umalis yung asawa ko, as in ginawa ko na yan talaga lahat kanina. Kaya sobrang haggard na haggard tayo. So, about maya-maya si Caleb, ipapablow ko na sa kanya yung decoration natin dito na Happy Father's Day. Siya yung natin dahil kailangan ko mag-wrap ng lumpia. Hindi ko naman i-wrap lahat ng lumpia. Siyempre magpapahinga din tayo, no? Tomorrow, ipagpatuloy natin yung pagbabalot ng lumpia kasi yung isang kaibigan ng aking mother-in-law is gusto niya. So, dadalhan natin, bibigyan natin. Hi, do you wanna say hi?
Yeah!
Say hi, everybody.
Hi!
You wanna say Happy Father's Day?
Happy Father's Day! Today is Daddy's Father's Day! It's Daddy's Father's Day today.
Yeah. Here, Troy.
Mommy, good morning, everybody.
It's not good morning. It's afternoon na.
Cat. Meow. It's afternoon. Now my cat is going to get off.
Yeah, Tuesday. Or
Yeah.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah, malapit na Thursday. Hey, do you want to say Happy Father's Day to everybody?
Happy Father's Day!
Say it to all the daddies.
All the daddy.
Yeah. It's not just daddy, it's everybody. It's all the daddies out there.
It's Daddy out there.
Daddy's working.
You make Daddy special for Oh, you make Daddy special Father's Day cake.
Yeah, I am gonna make a special Father's Day cake.
Daddy, he had to close his eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Then you had to put the
Okay, let's continue on what we're doing.
candles on. Then he'll be so happy.
Yeah.
It's a secret.
Yes, it's a secret. You don't tell Daddy, okay? Say okay?
He won't know. Okay. He won't know.
Oh. La la. Not watching TV. She's watching something. Go check in Kuya's bed. So, disclaimer lang po guys ha. This is what I do. This is how I do my my lumpia. So, wag niyo po akong i-judge. This is, I've been doing this for a longest time and everybody is loving my lumpia. Even my mother-in-law's friend, my sister-in-law's, everybody. So, what? You want sprinkles?
Yeah.
Why?
I want it.
Girl, I am busy. Oh. Yeah.
Pour some in my.
No, I'll put it in your mouth. Ah. I do wash my hands po every time I touch anything. I don't need to explain, but I hear the remote. Sissy, help your brother to find the remote. Ay, baliktad. Oh my God. Go check in the blanket or under the bed, under the pillow. Baliktad naman tong. Did you find it?
No. Somebody always just takes a remote and puts it somewhere, plays on the iPad.
Well, just go find it. I think I can hear it. Sissy, turn that off. Galit naman si ate girl. Troy, why don't you help your brother to find the remote? Where was it?
Floor.
So it's in the floor.
Yes. And now I turned the TV off.
Okay, we'll turn it back on then.
No, because everybody keeps turning it on, leaving it, and then they don't do anything.
Oh, okay.
They just leave it. They just leave the remote to just damage the battery.
It's not gonna damage the battery, dude.
Every day I see miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money?
Ito na ang ating pancit. And ito ang ating lumpia. At ang ating powder is parating na. Ito yung mga naluto natin, guys. And nailagay na rin natin itong Happy Father's Day na to. Diyos ko, nagkanda ano-ano pa dahil ay, nako yung mga anak ko. Nasaan dumi pa ng table. What a... And hindi ko pa na-decorate yung cake. So, yeah. As in, I did my best. But my best wasn't good enough. So, yeah. Hindi talaga wala. But it's okay. And ito na rin yung gift niya. So, ito ang ating gift. So, nilagyan natin itong mga drink na gusto niya. Ayan. Mga drink niya, mga gusto niya. Tapos, ito yung shirt na nakita natin nung isang araw, ay kagahapon. And then, yung card na mga bata. And my card for my husband. So, lalagyan natin siya nito. Parang ang laki ng bag, no? Dapat maliit pala yung ginawa ko. So guys, ayan na ang ating cake. Madali ang gawaan lang yan. Tingnan nyo yung kalat. Tapos tingnan nyo. Kasi dahil nagamit na yung D. Wala na tayong D. Yeah, you can eat it. Wala na tayong D. So, D-A-D-Y na lang. O, diba? What? Kinakain yung Is it good? Yeah, they can eat that. Is it good? Yeah. Yummy.
I tried to you and it
Yeah.
looks so good. It's my favorite color.
Daddy's home. Oh, Sissy, get Daddy's hand.
Someone's giving me lovin's.
Say no peeking.
You gotta see where I'm walking.
Okay. Say look.
Aw, Mommy made a cake.
Can I watch it?
Yeah.
Look.
Aw, thank you, sweetheart.
Dad, you can eat it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Here's the cake. They're eating that, so
That's okay.
be careful. I just got some of the out. Oh, you were my taster, but you were at work, so how was that?
Hot, good.
It's good? Is it really good?
Daddy, try this. It's yummy.
It's good.
Is it good? Okay, good. So, ayan na, guys. Ayan na. So, kain na tayo. Ayan, guys. Kain tayo. Ayan, nag-i-start na si Troy and Caleb, sandwich. Dahil ayaw nila. Si Natalia, macaroni and cheese dahil ayaw din niya. How was it, Daddy? Good? Is it good, Kuya? Alright, kain tayo, guys.
That you deserve more, let me say it. Oh, quit the job you hate and love the ones you love. 'Cause have you ever really thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the upside?
So, ayan, guys. Sissy, come here. Show them what you're giving to Papa. Bibigay nila yung kanilang, Father's Day card sa kanilang lolo. Wait! Dad, Caleb! Wait! Ang kulit nitong dalawang to eh. Kanina pa. Just wait, Chad. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, ang lalaki na ng mga corn. Lalaki na ng mga corn. Tutur ko kayo ulit dito. Tapos may mga na yung cabbage, oh. May laman na. Tapos yung mga tomato. Ayan ang mga tomato. And then meron pa yung tomato dun. Alright, let's go. Sissy, you got the card? Alright, come on. Wait, Sissy, wait. Let Daddy go first. Are you okay, boy?
Yeah, there's a gas in this.
Okay.
So I had to remove it.
Alright, come on. Alright, wait there, huh? Wait there.
Wait.
Hey, did I kiss me?
Happy Father's Day, Papa! Alright, Sissy, what are you gonna tell Daddy? Say, Daddy, are you ready for your gift?
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, keep your eyes shut.
Give me.
No.
Give it to Daddy. Say, here you go, Daddy.
Dad, open your eyes now.
Are you in my eyes now?
Yes. Yeah.
Aw, thank you.
Please. So me and Mom went shopping. Walmart after football practice.
Caleb, be quiet.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
Top dad.
Cut Dad.
Show it. Yeah, Daddy got a top dad.
You know
Yeah.
what the funny one was? You're the only good and it had an X and it
Get in there, Sissy. Get in there.
harder.
Troy, turn around.
Father.
Sir.
I got me drinks.
I know you like
I don't have room to sit it down.
Kick
I
it.
know you like it.
She said, Daddy, sit me here. Yes,
I know
I
you.
do.
Go over there with Daddy. Go over there beside Daddy. Sissy, be careful.
Yeah, you can hold that.
Just hold it.
I'm going to play today.
Alright, I'll just put it back in there.
I was going to kick it.
I did drink on the table. So yeah. Oh.
Best dad ever. Should have got this morning so I could have wore it all day. Thank y'all.
You're welcome.
I could have wore that today.
Well, yeah, we could have gave it to you this morning, but
Thank y'all.
we were busy. I know.
Busy.
Yeah. Are you not gonna wear it? Just
I'm going to take my same shirts unless you put on this shirt.
alright, look at me. Sissy! Ito Natalia eh. Alright, look at me. Psst. Look at me.
CEO.
Do you like that?
You're funny. I love you too.
As soon as I saw it, I'm like, oh, I'm getting this. You got your card?
Yes, I got my card.
I'm
Okay.
actually so
What?
squished right now.
He's so squished. Natalia! Oh my goodness, this girl.
Squished it.
Say Happy Father's Day, Daddy! Yeah.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
Are you happy?
Yes, thank you.
Yay! I got one more surprise for you. Hold on. Alright, go. Show it to Daddy.
Yes.
Hey!
Is it green?
Be quiet!
I guessed it. Oh, yeah. Careful, careful, careful. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Give it to Daddy! Give it to Daddy before you guys.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I ain't gonna change it. Give me,
What?
I'm ready to eat some.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I am. You know how much I love this, sweetheart. Thank you.
See, I knew it.
I don't fit.
Yes, thank you, thank
Go
you.
get a spoon for Daddy, Sissy. Or go get a fork for Daddy.
Fork, knife, and a little plate.
You don't have to. You just...
I want to put on a plate that way you guys want some.
No, I don't think they're gonna eat that.
Oh, they won't have a bite anyways.
Oh, okay. What did you do?
I just tried.
You did. Ayan guys,
Okay, Dad.
that's called pistachio pie.
Pistachio pie.
Good job.
Favorite.
Daddy's favorite, huh? Oh, Daddy's happy.
Daddy, don't try.
Kiki said, I'm gonna try too. I did that and the cake first as soon as you left this morning. I was waiting for you to get out of the house.
One little bite.
Oh gosh, she just pushed me. She just pushed me.
Oh, it's so delicious.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
You go here and see if anybody else wants to say before you put the lid back on.
Okay.
You know, right through here.
So guys, ano oras na ba? 12:30 na po ng madaling araw. And yung mga bata kanina pa sila tulog. And tinapos ko lang yung mga pagbabalot ng lumpia. And ito, pakita ko sa inyo. So, nilagay ko na talaga siya sa ref. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ito siya. Ayan, papakita ko. Tapos, nasa likod niya. Ayan, ayan siya. Nandiyan siya sa likod. And then, ito yung tira. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ano yan guys? Tomorrow, kasi meron pa akong tira na, na babalutin. So, bukas ko tatapusin yung, kasi baka masayang kasi yung tira. So, kailangan natin balutin. And, so yeah. So, tinapos ko lang talaga kung ano yung mga yung wrapper. Tinapos ko lang talaga yun. Inubos ko lang talaga. And then, kaya yun. Ang gulo, no? But anyways, matutulog na ako dahil ako'y antok na. Yung asawa ko tulog na. Oh my gosh. So, ayun guys. I just want to say happy Father's Day sa lahat ng tatay. Especially sa aking papa. Papa, happy Father's Day. I love you. And sa aking steppapa, happy Father's Day. I love you too. So, sa lahat ng tatay, nanay na tatay pa. So, happy Father's Day sa inyong lahat. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa araw ninyo. And yun. Ayun, so matutulog na ako guys dahil ako'y antok na. And may trabaho pa yung asawa ko bukas. So, nagpapagising siya ng 5 o'clock and 12:30 na and gising pa tayo. So, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you guys again on the next one. Good night!